enjoy riding. You're in the car, you're just checking out the scenery, seeing what's going on, you ain't no rush. You know your destination, but you know you got 5 hours to go. So you're just taking the time and riding. So I like to say, allow the slag to cool down when you can't see the redness. Once it's cooled down some, then straight the slag off. I say that because if you knock it off prematurely, you can cause some pinholes or some air to get in, some pockets, and you want to try to prevent that when you're testing. I like to say, scrape it. You see how I scrape it? I didn't peck it because if you peck it, you can put marks in it. And I try not to peck. I'm gonna shine a little light so you can kind of really see. See, that was a real nice. We're gonna use the wire brush. Because on this test, you're able to use the wire brush, so we're gonna use the wire brush. Now, if you was doing a D1.5, you can't use power tools. You just can use your wire brush, a scraper, and your chipping hammer. But on this test, this D1.1, you can actually use a grinder and a wire brush.